Good day all. In this short lecture, we are going to have a discussion about computation of quantity of earthwork for a road. In fact, here the Chinages and their respective reduced levels of ground are given. At China's 10, the RL of ground is given 105. Similarly, has given the table up to China's the 20, right from 10 to 20, the respective ground levels are given. And the beauty in Cochin, the questionnaire has mentioned the reduced level of the formation level at the 10th Chinese, that is beginning station, first station is 107. And he has clearly mentioned the road is in downward gradient with 1 in 150 up to Chinese 14. Up to Chinese 14, the downward gradient is there. So very interesting. And after that, 14th Chinese, the gradient changes to 1 in 100 downward. So that means here see is very interesting. Two downward gradients are there, but we don't worry about it. Downward gradient here it is 1 by 50 with an interval. So that chain length is given 30 meters. So 30 by 150 that we have to deduct it from the first formation level 107. So 107 minus 0.2. One can see now that is 106.80. So this is regarding formation level at 11th Chinese, that is second station. So minus 0.4, minus 0.6, so minus 0.8 up to 40. When it comes to 15th station, this is very interesting. Now minus, here you see the Chinese distance, length of China is 30, but now it is not 1 by 150, that is not 30 by 150. Now it is here you see 1 by 100, that means 30 by 100 minus 0.3, right from 15, 0.6 at 16, at 17 minus 0.9. So this is the way the questionnaire has given how to compute formation level. That is our contribution. He is given only formation level at starting changes, not rest of the changes. That we successfully calculated right now. Now you see, after drawing the sections here, you see, this is the formation level and the ground level, you don't have any choice. Those values are given by the questionnaire. So we have to respect those values. We have to accept those values. Now formation levels after computation minus what we discussed up to 14th, up to 14th Chinese minus 0.2 and thereafter it is minus 0.1. Now this is the table S1 for side slope for filling, S2 for cutting. Now in mid sectional area, as you know, we use it to compute dm, d1 plus d2 by 2. The formation width is given 10. So now you see, let us see now stations are given 10 to 20. Fortunately, the beauty in the question, it is only having filling. As you know, there is no negative value. When you deduct formation level from the ground level, 107 minus 105, obviously it is 2. So all the entries we will find only in filling now. There is no passing from filling to cutting or vice versa, cutting to filling. So fortunately, so there is no additional, what I say, uh, attention we have to pay regarding passing points. Now there is no passing point, we have only fillings. Now all the entries you will find in fillings now. Now after using, we have series of depths here. So now what we have to calculate is mean depth. That means when it comes to second station, so how to get the mean depth is first station depth plus second station depth by 2. So that is mean depth. So vice versa we will calculate. Similarly we will calculate rest of the depth. But we are saying goodbye to writing any entries in the hereafter. We are not writing anything in the first row because we are calculating mean means we are nothing to do with this first row. So we are not going to write any entries in the first row, because when we are calculating mean depth, we are coming to the second row, like the third row. So we are getting mean depths. So as you know, how to calculate central portion area BDM and side portion area SDM square. In fact, it is filling, so S1 DM square. So nothing is there in S2 DM square. Now to calculate total area, it is central portion plus side portion area, and we are getting now areas. After getting area, we are multiplying with length. We'll get the quantity of earthwork. So here the length is given, that is 30 meter. So multiplying with 30 meter with the respective sections area, we'll get the volume. So summing up, we'll get the total quantity of earthwork. Thank you all. So this is a way we use it to compute calculation of earthwork with mean sectional. Before I say thank you,